गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ़ यू। तो सबसे पहले दिस इज़ द लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द डे, तो ऑल आर यू हैप्पी? और मेरी बहुत शॉर्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है और आई विल से कि ये कंक्लूजन है आज की वर्कशॉप का। तो माय टॉपिक इज़ योगा एज आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग। आई एम नीतू तलवार फ्रॉम SGRRU देहरादून, उत्तराखंड। माय लिटरेचर रिव्यू इज़ next slide. It is a theoretical study based on some yoga texts like Ghiran Samhita, Hat Pradipika, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, etc. And in today's time, what do we understand by the word yoga? So yoga has now moved beyond its traditional confines and has become an integral part of our daily lives. Though highest goal of yoga is spiritual enlightenment, but nowadays yoga is recognized as a therapy. Today, there is no corner of the globe that remains untouched by the importance of yoga. Scientific research has validated many ancient yogic techniques, leading to their widespread acceptance not only in India but around the world. My findings are Yama and Niyama for good conduct socially and personally, Shatkriyas for internal cleaning, micro exercises for joint mobilities and warming up the body. Through these micro movements, we can regenerate the nervous system and improve circulation. And asanas. Next finding is asanas. Asanas are yoga or yoga postures strengthen the muscles through contraction and relaxation, promoting a disease-free body. As Patanjali says, Sthir Sukham Asanam. All systems of the human body can be strengthened through the practice of asanas regularly. The health of the digestive system significantly impacts overall health with many diseases like diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, IBS, and PCOD, linked to digestive issues. Yoga asana like Mandukasana, Vakrasana, Ardhamatsyendrasana, and Paschimottanasana are recommended for the digestive disorders. My other findings are pranayamas. These breathing techniques are a vital part of yoga practice. A regular practice of pranayama broadens the dimension of prana within us. It consists of specific breathing techniques that improve the efficiency of the mind and senses. Through regular practice of pranayama, the mind becomes calm, reducing anger, violence, jealousy, hatred, and restoring qualities of tranquility, love, non-violence, and harmony. As Maharshi Patanjali says, tatah shyete prakash avranam. My other findings are meditation. It is a higher practice in yoga sadhana to enhance mental clarity. By focusing on the present moment and observing thoughts without judgment, meditation can reduce the frequency and intensity of negative thoughts. Meditation can increase our overall health, overall energy levels also. And my conclusion is yoga as an art of living with the above mentioned yogic practices will help us in getting rid of modern lifestyle, physical and mental ailments. And by incorporating yoga and its practice in our daily routines, we can benefit from it immensely and lead a healthy and balanced life. However, these practices must be done in the guidance of a trained yoga professional. Jason Crandall has rightly said, yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Thank you so much.